Pan, moon. From Wikipedia, the free encyclopedia. Pan is the innermost moon of Saturn. It is a walnut-shaped small moon, about 35 kilometers across and 23 kilometers high, that orbits within the Encke Gap in Saturn's A-ring. It acts as a ring shepherd and is responsible for keeping the Encke Gap free of ring particles. Contents: Section 1, Prediction. Section 2, Orbit. Section 3, Geography. Section 4, Pan ringlet. Section 5, Name. Section 1, Prediction. The existence of a moon in the Encke Gap was first predicted by Geoffrey N. Cousy and Geoffrey D. Scargill in 1985, based on wavy edges of the gap which indicated a gravitational disturbance. In 1986, Showalter et al. Inferred its orbit and mass by modeling its gravitational wake. They arrived at a very precise prediction of 133,603 plus or minus 10 kilometers for the semi-major axis, and a mass of 5 to 10 times 10 to the minus 12 Saturn masses, and inferred that there was only a single moon within the Encke Gap. The actual semi-major axis differs by 19 kilometers, and the actual mass is 8.6 times 10 to the minus 12 of Saturn's. The moon was later found within 1 degree of the predicted position. The search was undertaken by considering all Voyager 2 images and using a computer calculation to predict whether the moon would be visible under sufficiently favorable conditions in each one. Every qualifying Voyager 2 image with resolution better than 50 kilometers per pixel shows Pan clearly. In all, it appears in 11 Voyager 2 images. Section 2, Orbit. The eccentricity of Pan's orbit causes its distance from Saturn to vary by about 4 kilometers. Its inclination, which would cause it to move up and down, is not distinguishable from zero with present data. The Encke Gap, within which Pan orbits, is about 325 kilometers wide. Section 3, Geography. Cassini scientists have described Pan as walnut-shaped, owing to the equatorial ridge, similar to that on Atlas, that is visible in images. The ridge is due to ring material that Pan has swept up from the Encke Gap. Section 4, Pan ringlet. The Encke division contains a ringlet that is coincident with Pan's orbit, indicating that Pan maintains the particles in horseshoe orbits. Section 5, Name. The moon was named on 16 September 1991 after the mythological Pan, who was, among other things, the god of shepherds. This is a reference to Pan's role as a shepherd moon. It is also designated Saturn 18. It was discovered by Mark R. Showalter in 1990 from analysis of old Voyager 2 probe photos, and received the provisional designation S1981-S13 because the discovery of the images dated back to 1981. There is also an asteroid called 4450 Pan.